What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and things might look a little different now. With all y'all support, I was able to upgrade my camera setup, so it might look a little bit clearer. We in full frame now, let's go. Now I got something special for y'all today, but before we get started, I need y'all to hit that subscribe button. That just helps you see my content first, and it helps my community grow. I appreciate all y'all. We've been growing pretty rapidly, and I appreciate it. It's only up from here is what they say, right? I guess. Anyways, let's get to it. Package. As you know, we got a package today, and that orange package is only from one person, the one and only KingClipperMod. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't actually know what's in this package, so let's open it up and see what it is. All right, let's see. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what that is yet, but we gonna get to it. 1 second. Okay, we got brackets. Interesting, they are metal. If you know KingClipperMod, he does some great brackets. He does custom mods for clippers, things you aren't able to do normally. He makes it possible. Okay, we got some screws, and we have a cutting blade, I think. Yep, it's a cutting blade. But what cutting blade is it for is the question. We're gonna see. And then in the other package, if I had to guess, we got a kit that says JRL in the front. If you could see that, it's in a little plastic bag. You feel me? I appreciate the presentation. One thing he has gotten better on is his presentation. Just going the extra mile, it makes a difference. Okay, so this is gonna fit on the JRL. So we got more mods. When he started, he was doing a lot of like plastic, and he's getting into metal now. The bases are metal instead of plastic, instead of 3D printed, stuff like that. The 3D printed worked for me, but I feel like this here will last longer. I got a message from him saying this kit will fit on the Diamante, so we're gonna try a fast feed blade on the Diamante today. So we got our fast feed steel blade. Let's give it a try. Chat, we got the mod on. This is a JRL Diamante with a fast feed blade on it. You see the cutting blade, bigger teeth on it. Now here's how it sounds. It's not loud. It is a little bit louder than it was, but it's not loud. So we're gonna test this out today, and we're gonna see how it work out. But you see the quality. You see the quality. You know what I'm saying? New camera, who this? We out. All right, Chad, after taking this for a spin, we got the Diamante, we got the fast feed blade on it. I will say, this might be one of my favorite, like, it just meshes so well together. You could even put this on your JRL 3000C. So W mod in the chat. Shout out KingClipperMod for this mod. Appreciate you. And if you want to try this mod, go to KingClipperMods.com right now and get yours. Now, before you order that, understand something. This is a modification. When you put the modification on, make sure you oil your blades. I didn't have any issue putting this mod on. I didn't have any issue with the way it cuts. This is a fast feed cutting blade. Before you order this mod, check with him and make sure you got the right cutting blade for this mod. He also has a master mod kit for this clipper. Now, is this mod gonna stay in the rotation? Most likely. I feel like this feels very, very similar to the original fast feed. But don't take my word for it, try it for yourself. With that being said, I appreciate y'all supporting me. Like, subscribe, and of course, let me know what y'all want to see next, as y'all always do. I go by the name of Cruze, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.